Hear that? That's the sound of whooping cough, a serious disease that has seen an uptick of cases in UK, Europe, and North America in recent months. It usually has the initial symptoms of a mild cold, but after 1 to 2 weeks, a severe cough may appear, just like the one you just heard. While anyone can get it, whooping cough is most dangerous for babies, who can struggle to breathe, and it can be really life-threatening. Before vaccines were developed, it killed 1 in every 10 children infected by it. Luckily now we have a vaccine that is really very effective and can protect infants and young children. And don't forget that antibiotics are available for this disease and can make a big difference in the treatment.